Here's how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing. Now, if you're on Facebook and you wanted to add a story and you wanted to add some music to that, but you can't do that, it's basically not popping up with that music option, I'm going to show you how to find it and how to get it fixed. So let's hop into Facebook here, and I can tap this Create a Story. Now at the very top, you can see music right next to text. If you don't see that music, you can always just swipe all the way over to see it somewhere at the very top. Now I can tap on music here, and the nice thing is it shows me all kinds of different songs that I can add. I can hit this little play button if I wanted to just listen to it. But when I'm ready and I wanted to add that specific song, I can just tap on the song, and you can see I can swipe down. It adds this specific song along with the lyrics, all of that stuff, to this story. But if this music is not working on your phone, there are a few different steps you can go through to get that fixed. Now, the first thing that I recommend doing is hopping out here and opening up the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android. Let's tap on search, and then we're just going to search for Facebook here. Now, right next to Facebook, if it says update, just update to the latest version to get the latest version. Potentially, there's a bug or a glitch causing that music to not work or not show up on your account. Now, if that doesn't work or if it doesn't have the option to update, you can always just hop into your settings. We'll scroll down, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. Now, what we're going to do is find the Facebook app on here once this loads. Basically, this is the list of every single app that's on your phone. I just tap on Facebook, and I'm going to hit offload and then offload. Now, if you're on Android, you can clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall the app. I'm going to hit reinstall app here, and basically what this does is it force updates the Facebook app. A lot of times gets rid of any kind of bugs or glitches or issues with the app. And then once that's done installing fully, we can open it up. We can open up our story, and all that music should be showing up and working as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.